Hello everyone, in this video we shall be subtracting in base 8. In base 8 is also known as octal numbers. In base 8, the possible number we have in base 8 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 7. So let's look at some examples. We have 7, 3, 2, 3 in base 8 minus 2, 1, 1, 1 in base 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So we have 5, 2, 1, 2 in base 8. Let's look at another examples. We have 1, 7, 3, 3, 7 base 8 minus 7, 6, 2, 6 all in base 8. 6 minus 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 6, cannot borrow 1 here, call this one 6, put 1 here, call it 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 6 minus 7, you cannot borrow 1 here, call it 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. So you have 7, 5, 1, 1 in base 8. Let's look at another example. So you have 5, 4, 4, 7 minus 2, 2, 5, 6, 7 all in base 8. In base 8. 7 minus 7 is 0. 4 minus 6, cannot borrow 1 here, call it 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. So I remain 3. 3 minus 5, cannot borrow 1 here, call it 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. This one remains 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. I have 2660 in base 8. Thank you for watching.